fit any assess anything, and your friend saying mechanic. Sana prophet kumichacha, my sister me YouTube no, baby I should be I'm a change here floor, and I'm about too much GH. Share na prophet kumichacha me so me share.
For me, Mamma Papa Sonko, ever to my GH, ever no every do. The echo so the air trend day, and I made ever to that. So, see how they the social media are yet there. I butu. Who's a Ghana had the banner music industry anymore. Beef, and yeah, they run beef, and you're chicken, you're chicken figures, you're beef, and cast a beef, no more no, and only they run a music industry. No, where beef you and now we have beef, and I call one, I will say, yeah, you have to talk about. Nah, and none what that Sister Afia, sorry, and no party channel, bright day, and we'll be kind, let's say, then I drink a young WMT, really see a bind. No, really say no on say this song no never to that because all end up say oh mommy no aka oh mommy ya de chia oh mommy ama usu I dey tell you besun and then kofo backlash so why chicken would the beef about be chicken there enko yie na you who say the likes of Sister Debia were born in some so on the WMT this song no one also abe reply and said that this song no is right back at her.
Come on, do I look like come on.
Make we move on, concentrate on Africa meme then. You like you don't need like that.
You don't need. How can you say you do this song where you do this your own body? Oh, that one dear yawa cry.
You don't try.
Oh.
Anyway, so yeah, you
What am I hearing on social media? Now that coronavirus is here, that we are thinking about how to solve it. You people who are eager, angry to fight an innocent woman who was dating a young guy that spoilt the guy, and now you've seen the guy to date him. You went to snatch the guy. You get me? And you want to bribe someone to do a decent song for the person. The person you bribe, look into her eyes, ask her if she has not fucked your boyfriend. She has fucked your man. If you don't know, you people should comport yourself, because you know I have all the gist. Let's forget it, because the guy knew the lady was older than him, and he went ahead to date the lady. Now that the lady has dressed and polished the guy, you see something in the guy, you force the guy on you, force and kidnap the guy. You people should stay well. You people should stand well. If I should start descending on you, you can't stay in Accra here. Corona is here and you people are doing the pay.
Me TV wo la bi me pese me refer me pacho me beti ma be check akra ma me a ensem bi pie mu wo yes high life and koyi hey na say kwa me agent bo high life bisa kede bo high life Sister Afia obo high life kidi bo high life one na high life and koyi ama na obe swap yi ento aso ye be hu
obi anye di who would drop this song and go online go crying?
Hey boss no who they drop hit song then go online go cry start they dropping the advice man tisi osun ana otisi osun o otisi osun afato comment section chatwale suda or drop this songs men tisi osun yapu na drop bi won suda asem drop e ni de enko ye bonita so or drop e we sun wamba out abesun why and drop this song what about out abesun everything for ote ne pepepe. What say who they drop this song then go online go cry? emotional singers. Some emotional singers we are trendy crowd are trendy ache. Ye kaya baby sakode refer to Shatawale as emotional singer. We kaya say we Shatawale there. We shene bufu another bonyum. Oye ni hey, oye ni fine obi bonyum sesia. Enu nti sesia akoye wo ba eye Freda rhymes. Ene ne nyum ne kasa ye mu wotete na punchlines no etie say highlight and koye ni stop it to rap. Starting no say na o kaka semne ba to say rap lines no punch lines no ya no directed to only one person. Only one person na we hear this song go Ghana ha. Or hear this song ade chi anka o de beje hype no asa ade chi enu mu no ko na social media sun ka che ne fans say one ka che say me ye we one ka say me ye obi me ye say me the two nipa fo so on ka ko no me pese me body but meka me modi but meka one no better na social media ebeka say WMT nyum no it means women must talk. Now women must talk and nyama obo so e wo nyum no e ma won asem na wo kan za ama na asem a wo kan no wan ka be biase wo mon kasa one chew adu be biase wo mon kasa won na wo kwa there's a wo pe won kwan when you permission from nowhere now they born nyum e dey ti obi e na wo be release hu no we release hu we aba bedwam na nipa asha set say ya settle this song into yet relate a also that we su ubuefu ama atida matete of fans krampo we dwa wo mo enti Sista Afia wa address na Freda rhymes e dey abro no nti one wa frɛ beef we ye the beef abeto da no and it is all be reply on reply ye twen because to see our patch say when your new talent e say Ghana ye embrace this talent so na wo kire ya say ye wo Instagram live video na we ye na we address say wo fans no see when your new talent say ka say Ghana for ye ka say oh Sista Afia oh where from this one oh you get the oh ya tia say ya tia say what set flow ama e to kwa we ana beef we wo lyrics wo grind no wo swag no wo we no flow no wo hard identify bra for be face to because Freda rhymes so e dey ne dia ba this song they say na ko hang go hang come e ba na also dey have na also and into a very reply to so be chance skills for ni ehu nyama eni so and then Sista Afia with WMT and the reply and Freda rhymes so e dey abetra eto e dey amount na say Ghana has say the enkofo e be you reacting about this issue no ye be hear him na the beto dwa be no ye the beto dwa e wo too much GH na mo nso a mo hwe ye ya hwefoi mo mo hu de eko e wo ye man but say see ade me announce officially a beef has started between Sista Afia and Freda rhymes e di ere ni me be beef we mo ababia na be twi are e wo ahase and it subscribe so won't subscribe by clicking on the red button na ebiem so no share video we ema wo bibia me din e de na ama owusa say me enjoy lyrics we ni beat ne nkwanti me pentem afia enti share ne so nyame ya dema ye besa ehie biem makramu
fitiani asese ne din and your friend say mechanic na prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no ba bia me hwe bia ma change afro and maba too much GH hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe